Welcome. I'm Michael, production manager here at Titan Steelworks. For the next 30 minutes, you'll witness the incredible journey of steel.
This facility processes over 50,000 tons of steel annually. What you're about to see requires temperatures exceeding 1600 degrees.
Iron ore, the foundation of steel. These mines extract millions of tons annually. Each truck carries over 300 tons per load. Primary crushing reduces boulders to manageable size. Trains transport ore hundreds of miles to steel mills. Automated systems unload each car in under 2 minutes. Modern steel uses up to 90% recycled content.
Cut at marker 7. Position confirmed. Lowering now.
Each heat requires precise material ratios. Chemistry determines steel properties.
Safety first. These furnaces reach temperatures that can melt rock.
The electric arc furnace uses electricity equivalent to powering 50,000 homes.
At 3,000 degrees, the electric arc is hotter than the surface of the sun.
We're watching carbon content real time. Too much, steel becomes brittle. Too little, it's soft.
Oxygen removes carbon, silicon, and other impurities through oxidation.
Analysis complete in 60 seconds. Steel chemistry must meet exact specifications.
Okay, easy now, bring it left 5 feet.
5 feet left, coming down slow, watch the heat.
Final alloy additions create specific steel properties: strength, corrosion resistance, hardness.
Continuous casting converts molten steel directly to semi-finished shapes.
Quality confirmed for heat lot 789B, ready for stamping.
Billets must be reheated to forging temperature, around 1200 degrees Celsius.
This press generates 10,000 tons of force, enough to compress a car into a suitcase.
Each forging requires multiple strikes from different angles.
Hammer forging refines grain structure, increasing strength.
Heat treatment determines final properties: hardness, toughness, ductility. Oil quenching provides controlled cooling for complex geometries. Microscopic examination confirms proper metallurgical transformation. CNC machining achieves tolerances within 0.01 millimeters. Precision gear cutting for automotive transmissions.
Every dimension verified against original design specifications.
From raw earth to precision components, the complete journey of steel forging.
You've now witnessed the complete transformation. Raw ore extracted from earth, melted at temperatures rivaling the sun,